Hi, my name is Felix Lugo and welcome to myflan.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect flan. I'll be using a round 9-inch by 2.5-inch aluminum baking pan. You will need the following ingredients to make the flan mix: 5 large eggs, 3 cups of evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 cup of whole milk. Place all of these ingredients into a blender and blend for about 60 seconds and set aside. Now I will show you how to make the caramel sauce for your baking pan. But before I do, at this time you may preheat your oven to 335 degrees. You will need the following to make the caramel sauce: a saucepan, 2 cups of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Place the sugar and pure vanilla extract in the saucepan and heat medium to high. Stir constantly as the sugar will begin to melt. The caramel is ready once all the sugar is melted and has reached a beautiful golden brown color. Pour the caramel sauce in the baking pan. Make sure to use oven mittens when handling the pan, as it will be extremely hot due to the caramel sauce. Next, you will need a larger pan to make a bath water. This prevents the caramel from getting too hot, causing a volcanic effect. For this particular size flan, I use a 17 by 12 inch size pan that is 1.5 inch in depth for the bath water. Place your caramelized baking pan in the center of the larger pan. Pour in your flan mix and then place your flan in the oven using the middle rack. Let it bake for 1 hour and 30 minutes at 335 degrees. How to check if your flan has finished baking? With a fork, insert in the center of the flan about 1 inch. Pull out the fork. If the fork comes out clean, then your flan has finished baking. Place on the countertop, leaving room temperature for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, place your hand underneath the pan. Be careful as the pan may still be hot. If you're able to hold the pan, then it's ready to be placed in the refrigerator. Make sure to cover the flan while it's in the refrigerator. I always say the best flan is better served 24 hours later. Once it has reached 24 hours later, now you're ready to flip the flan. Take the flan out of the refrigerator and remove the covering. Next, insert a knife all around the edge of the flan. This will help the flan come out of the baking pan smoothly when you flip it. I use a round 12-inch serving tray to flip my flan. Once you have flipped the flan, tap the top and the side of the baking pan, as it needs to be loosened before you remove the baking pan. Now you're ready to see your beautiful flan. Gently lift the baking pan. Now you have beautifully crafted a homemade flan. Enjoy, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you for visiting myflan.com.